What's going on, everybody? Hopefully you guys are fantastic with this coronavirus outbreak. I'm just kidding. I'm not going to talk about the coronavirus. I really don't give a shit. Anyways, today we're going to, well, we'll show you what's going on in the shop first. We got some production woodworking going. It's going to be super loud, so I'm not even going to talk, but I'll walk in there and show you guys real quick just to check on it. And now I just loaded another sheet on. So you guys know Eric, my business partner. He loaded the sheet last night and ran it all night, and now we're running another sheet today. So it takes a good while, but it is what it is. Anyways, I'm sure you guys know about the title or whatever, thumbnail maybe. We're gonna kind of assess the truck build. Oh, stop it. We're gonna assess the truck build, kind of see what we're working with, see what we're gonna do. I know we haven't even really looked at the truck since we pulled the cab off. So this rain has made it miserable. That's another thing I was gonna say. It's California. We're supposed to be in a drought. It's been pouring rain. Everyone's dying. There's no toilet paper. No, I'm just kidding. Anyways, like I said, I wasn't gonna talk about it, but we're gonna go into kind of looking everything over. And thankfully things look a little bit better than what I expected. Not great, everything's wet now and probably a little more rusty than it used to be, but we do have the motor covered up even though it's getting rebuilt. As far as the front, we know that's pretty good because we just built it, but we are cutting everything off the front. We are working on design for new bars, new center section, pretty much all this stuff. The cab mounts we have already discussed were blown the hell out, but the supports don't look too bad. I think with some sandblast, paint, powder, whatever we decided to do, this one's rusted in there, but other than that, things really don't look too bad from like gas tank, fuel tank forward. A little bit of grime and stuff, and then my nasty box frame plates and exhaust and all this good stuff. Kind of gross, but just needs to be cleaned up. Transmission still in one piece, surprisingly. Transfer case, we're gonna figure something out with this and this cross member. Same with all these cross members. We're probably gonna remake most of them, but yeah, the back is where it gets a little nasty and it's covered up right now. But a lot of the frame and stuff, I did coat it a long time ago, but a lot of the frame is pretty whooped back here. So yeah, so we got some work cut out for us. Like I said, up until here it's pretty good. I don't know why the video is so bad, or the brightness or whatever. But pretty much up inside there, I don't know if you can see that side over there, that's where it starts to get pretty nasty. We're probably gonna cut out or take out this whole spare tire cross member, because we're gonna be rebuilding cross members for this whole thing. So yeah, I mean, it definitely needs some love, but as far as it goes for being a New England truck for like 90% of its life, it really doesn't look too bad. The whole steering, everything is gonna be redone, remade, a little bit smaller, a little bit better. Coilover is probably going taller, so I don't know if I'm gonna sell these ones or not, but yeah, so this is the assessment. The cab needs some love too. We really need to get it on blocks. It's been crazy, guys. It's been crazy. So that's gonna be a wrap for pretty much talking about this. We might pull our shackle flips off because I sold those. If anyone wants these wheels, come and buy them. I don't want them anymore. But yeah, I don't really have too much to do because I gotta work in the shop today. But I just want to give you guys an update. And then we have, oh yeah, we have this truck, which we'll be working on soon. Got a lot of money kind of wrapped up right now where we can't necessarily dive into this. We're waiting on a few things. So guys, I promise big things are coming. This virus outbreak, this whole craziness has really just kind of messed some stuff up. It's making things hard. People aren't working. Whatever the deal is, we'll get through it. Gotta make sure this thing's still running. Seems to be okay. So I decided to jump home and get back to my house with a new dually project. I think the goal for today would be to get this rear end out of this truck and back onto that truck so we have a roller, maybe start pulling the front clip off and stuff. That way I can have a working truck. How do I want to do this? So, really gotta think this one through. We kind of got shit everywhere. Cause I don't think. Oh. This truck had a rear sway bar on it. Wow. So this. So someone said, I think this was a cabin chassis. I'm not 100% sure. Yeah, this is a cabin chassis bed. It's gotta be. It's gotta be. Now I know, don't mind the mess over here too. We just cleaned out the RV, so it's kind of, don't mind it. I know cabin chassis axles are smaller, or like narrower. Cause I guess the frame is narrower. We're gonna look things over real quick. All right. So I messed up. Took a guy's word. Didn't look closely at what I was looking at, and we're in trouble, guys. So this rear end, which I thought was not a cabin chassis rear end, I thought it was just set under this truck just to roll it around. This is the dually rear end out of this truck, which cabin chassis rear ends are about, roughly we'll say 10 inches shorter than a normal dually. So I'm gonna leave it up to you guys. What do you think we should do? Should we 4-link the rear, solid axle swap the front, make it a 4-wheel drive dually for the daily, use the Dana 60 out of the show truck, get a Ford for that one, and then make everything work? Not crazy lift, like 6-inch. Just build it now how I want it. Or do we try and find an axle? I don't know. You guys tell me. I gotta put some thought into this. So that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Yeah, I'm kinda SOL on this one. I have another rear end for a single rear wheel axle, but it's busted. It needs to be rebuilt. So that's gonna do it. If you enjoyed the video, drop a thumbs up. Please drop in the comments below what you think we should do. I think solid axle swap, because this already has a sway bar and everything on it built into it, might be the way to go, but a little more work than I wanted. We'll see. That's gonna do it for today, guys. I'm gonna head out and go think about things. I'll catch you guys later in the next video when we come up with a game plan. I'm out.